Hey guys, it's me, Serena, back at it again. I know, I'm really cringy, but yeah, we're back and better than ever, so. Okay, so I know it's been a really long time since I have filmed a video, probably because when I did my YouTube videos, everyone made fun of me for it, but like I genuinely don't really care anymore. I do these for fun and for like my own enjoyment, so I'm gonna continue to make them and continue to do my own thing without people's opinions getting to me, but we can completely make that a whole other video. But today I'm gonna be just coming back with a really random one. First, I want to say I'm sorry for the glare that's in my glasses. However, I do wear my glasses on a regular basis now. Like every day I wear them to work and I wear them everywhere. So I thought that I would wear them for the videos, just, be my true self. So I'm sorry if that bothers anyone, but yeah, that was just a little disclaimer. So today we are going to be making your own bucket list. Now, I can already hear my boyfriend, or I can just hear the sound of his keyboard typing out the comments.
Boring!
I know, very stupid video, kind of random and dumb. It was going to be a summer bucket list video, but it is almost the end of July now. I wouldn't really consider it summer anymore, but it's just going to be a basic bucket list type of deal. I'm also going to be incorporating 2 other lists in here just for my personal usage, which is going to be photography goals, bucket list, and then YouTube video ideas. And yeah, so you guys can do whichever one you want, but I just thought I would include those in this video. So without further ado, we're just going to get right into the video, and I'm going to start off by showing you everything that you're going to need for this project. So let's jump into it. Okay, so the first kind of step for this project is you're going to want to go through and make a list of all the goals that you want to accomplish for your bucket list, or like all the things that you want on your bucket list. Just go through and type up a whole entire list and just, be as creative with it as you can, and try and do your own thing with it, and don't worry about like if other people are doing it or like if it's not cool or anything like that. Just really make it your own and personalized. So after you've come up with like a general list, what you're going to want to do now is we're going to make it nice and beautiful. So what you're going to do is you're going to start off with paper and markers. So if you don't have neat handwriting or like nice enough handwriting for this project, what you can do is type it out and print it. My printer just was not equipped for the job today for some reason, so I had to go ahead and write mine out, but it still turned out pretty good because I made it look cute and pretty. Now, basically, there's no like rule to this. Just go ahead and write out all of your things in no particular order. Just do them the way you want to do them, color coordinate them the way you want it, and just kind of really have fun with it. Okay, so here's the aftermath of everything. But we got all of our sheets done. Okay, so once you have all of your lists written out, then what you're gonna wanna do is cut your cardboard and tape your lists onto the cardboard. Now the cool thing about this is you can peel off the list and make a whole new one depending on like the season, or like maybe if you finish that one. So that's what's really cool about this. Then after you are done taping your list on, which I did was I just taped my ribbon to the back of the board and then I hung it up. So that's as simple as that. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this really fun, simple DIY. I know it was kind of dumb, but you know, I just thought it would be kind of cool because a lot of people have bucket lists, but they kind of just keep them somewhere random. So this way you're like able to see it and be inspired to like actually complete some of the goals that are in it. If you guys liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're not yet subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. I will link down below my cousin's jewelry store, which is the bracelets that I wore in this video. If you're interested in that, leave a comment down below if you like this video and what kinds of videos you want to see in the future. I'll see you guys sometime next week. Thank you so much for watching. Love you all so much and have a wonderful, fabulous day. Bye. Because I'm dumb like that. What the heck are you doing? But you know, I'm just trying to have fun and film some cute little videos for you guys. Oh my god, my hair is not wanting to cooperate with me today for this. Taped my ribbon to the back of the but you know if